Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Houston Rockets ang Detroit Pistons 101-99. Top performer si Alperen Sengun sa likod ng kanang 27 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Cade Cunningham 26 points, 8 rebounds, 9 assists at 1 block. Wagi naman ang Boston Celtics kontra sa Milwaukee Bucks 113-107. Top performer si Jason Tatum sa likod ng kanang 31 points, 12 rebounds at 6 assists. Giannis Antetokounmpo 43 points, 13 rebounds, 5 assists at 2 blocks. Wagi din ang Indiana Pacers kontra sa New York Knicks 132-121. Top performer si Benedict Mathurin sa likod ng kanang 38 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Jalen Brunson 33 points, 6 rebounds at 10 assists. Tinambakan naman ng Orlando Magic ang Washington Wizards 121-94. Top performer si Franz Wagner sa likod ng kanang 23 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Jordan Poole 24 points, 4 rebounds at 1 assist. Dinaig naman ng Philadelphia 76ers sa isang overtime ang Charlotte Hornets 107-105. Top performer si Jared McKinn sa likod ng kanang 27 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. LaMelo Ball 38 points, 4 rebounds, 8 assists at 2 steals. Dinaig din ng Miami Heat ang Minnesota Timberwolves 95-94. Top performer si Tyler Hero sa likod ng kanang 26 points, 6 rebounds at 3 assists. Anthony Edwards 22 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals. Panalo naman ang Golden State Warriors kontra sa Oklahoma City Thunder 127-116. Top performer si Stephen Curry sa likod ng kanang 36 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander 24 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Wagi naman ang Denver Nuggets kontra sa Dallas Mavericks 122-120. Top performer si Nikola Jokic sa likod ng kanang 37 points, 18 rebounds, 15 assists at 3 steals. Kyrie Irving 43 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Pinataob naman ng Sacramento Kings sa isang overtime ang Phoenix Suns 127-118. Top performer si DeMar DeRozan sa likod ng kanang 34 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Bradley Beal 28 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng Memphis Grizzlies ang Portland Trail Blazers 134-89. Top performer si Jaren Jackson sa likod ng kanang 20 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists at 3 steals. Jeremy Grant 20 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng Los Angeles Lakers ang Toronto Raptors 123-103. Top performer si Austin Reeves sa likod ng kanang 27 points, 1 rebound, 6 assists at 1 steal. RJ Barrett 18 points, 7 rebounds at 4 assists. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of November 11, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 11 wins, 0 loss. Boston Celtics 9 wins, 2 losses. Indiana Pacers 5 wins, 5 losses. Orlando Magic 5 wins, 6 losses. New York Knicks 4 wins, 5 losses. Miami Heat 4 wins, 5 losses. Brooklyn Nets 4 wins, 6 losses. Chicago Bulls 4 wins, 6 losses. Charlotte Hornets 4 wins, 6 losses. Detroit Pistons 4 wins, 7 losses. Atlanta Hawks 4 wins, 7 losses. Washington Wizards 2 wins, 6 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 2 wins, 7 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 2 wins, 8 losses. Toronto Raptors 2 wins, 9 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of November 11, 2024. Phoenix Suns 8 wins, 2 losses. Oklahoma City Thunder 8 wins, 2 losses. Golden State Warriors 8 wins, 2 losses. Denver Nuggets 7 wins, 3 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 7 wins, 4 losses. Los Angeles Lakers 6 wins, 4 losses. Houston Rockets 6 wins, 4 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 6 wins, 4 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 6 wins, 4 losses. Sacramento Kings 6 wins, 4 losses. Dallas Mavericks 5 wins 5 losses. San Antonio Spurs 4 wins 6 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 3 wins 7 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 3 wins 8 losses. Utah Jazz 2 wins 7 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 12, 2024. Maglalaban ang Cleveland Cavaliers at Chicago Bulls 9 AM Philippine Time. Maglalaban din ang Washington Wizards at Houston Rockets 9 AM Philippine Time. Maghaharap naman ang Brooklyn Nets at New Orleans Pelicans 9 AM Philippine Time. Magsasagupa naman ang Los Angeles Clippers at Oklahoma City Thunder 9 AM Philippine Time. Maghaharap naman ang Sacramento Kings at San Antonio Spurs 9 AM Philippine Time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.